Hey, what's up everyone? I want to give you a quick update on what is happening here in Orange County, Southern California in real estate. It's October 2025. Now, rates have been dropping over the past few weeks and we've seen a resurgence in demand. There's more pre-approvals, more people out there looking for properties. If properties are priced well, we're seeing multiple offer scenarios. We're seeing properties go over asking price. So things are moving again. Now, we've peaked in terms of inventory. We're now sitting in Orange County at about 4,500 homes. And listings will continue to go down until the end of the year, which is the normal trend that happens every year. So will demand. As we get into the holiday season in November, December, things will slow down significantly, again, which is normal. But if things continue in the trajectory that they're going in terms of the rates and overall dynamics of the market, I think we're poised for a better 2026 than we've had this year and the past couple of years, really. More transactions, more buyers. I also think there's going to be more sellers because as the interest rates go down, people that have been waiting to make moves, but the interest rates from where they had and where the rates were, that difference was significantly bigger than they wanted to swallow. As the rates go down, these people will start making moves. So we'll see also new inventory coming on the market. So what do you expect until the end of the year? I think it's a typical year, but we're getting back to a normal market. And a normal market is, COVID, then 21, 22. These are not normal markets. The rates were artificially lower than they naturally are. We're heading back to where things were in 2018, 2019, before COVID. Which is to say that there are deals out there. So if you're a buyer, there are deals out there. However, lowballing or trying to make ridiculously low offers typically doesn't work. So it's not a full buyer's market by any chance. In terms of sellers, you have more competition. So your listing needs to stand out better, be it from a presentation standpoint or pricing standpoint or both. If you do both, that's when you get the best results, which is multiple offers or higher than asking price, and essentially you get a much better scenario than sitting on the market doing price drops and so on. So we're heading to a balanced market. We're heading to a healthy market, which is really good. And another point I want to address is lots of people have been telling me and they're hearing things about, there's going to be a flood of foreclosures. There's not. People have so much equity. People have a lot of options. Even sellers that are feeling the pain in terms of mortgage payments and stuff like that, they have lots of options. There's forbearance, they can sell, they can refinance, they can modify their loan. There's so many options. And the fact that people have a lot of equity, now in the US, 40% of homes are paid off, zero mortgage, okay? So, and the amount of homes that have significant equity over 50% is the highest it's been in history. So, people have options. There's not going to be a flood of foreclosures. There's not going to be a flood of distressed sales. So if you're a buyer banking on that or waiting for that flood, it's just not coming. It's not going to happen, okay? Given the information that we have now. Now, if things change in the future, sure, I don't know. But what we know now, it's not happening. So if you are a buyer, great time to buy. You need a good strategy. You need to make wise decisions, but there are lots of options out there and it's a great time to buy. If you are a seller, you need to be on your A game in terms of presentation, in terms of pricing, in terms of representation, who's representing you, because there's more competition, but it's a balanced market. It's not a buyer's market. So good time to sell if you are still thinking of selling. If we can help you in any way, if we can be of any service to you, reach out to us. We'd be happy to help.